Kailash Chandra, passage number 2, part 2. Start undoubtedly, now when we are going to have a very great amount of expenditure, we might have a greater amount oblique of deficit, and we would have to find out ways and means of trying to meet our capital expenditure full stop. Some oblique members have pointed out that deficit financing is good oblique, others have pointed out that it is position full stop. One honorable member oblique who preceded me pointed out that it could be taken like a notice full stop. Now, I am not willing to enter oblique into the merits of deficit financing or departments or deficit financing in an academic spirit full stop. The time has now come when we should face realities full stop. I do suggest that we have to indulge in deficit financing, because without indulging in oblique deficit financing, it would not be possible for us to indulge in capital expenditure on such a large scale full stop. But oblique, when we are talking of those scope of deficit financing, I would like to place before the House and the oblique finance minister the two great limitations which face us full stop. Paragraph. The first limitation that faces us is that concerning the internal oblique price level full stop. The honorable finance minister referred to the cost of living full stop. He said that he was going to keep a watch over the cost of living so that it may not shoot up within a short period and oblique make a mess of the plans of capital development full stop. But there is another limitation which has also to be borne oblique in mind, a limitation which has not received as much notice as it should have done in all the discussions oblique that have taken place on deficit financing full stop. That limitation is the external limitation, or the limitation which arises on account oblique of our balance of payments position full stop. I think this is as important, Mr. Deputy Speaker, as the internal price level, and I should like to relate that particular point a bit more, because I feel that a time will shortly oblique arrive when we might have either to reconsider our policy or might even have to leave the club of oblique which we are a member full stop. Paragraph. The second serious limitation is as serious as first full stop. What would be the consequences oblique of deficit financing on our balance of payments question mark. The finance minister in his budget speech points out that so far oblique as the balance of payments position is concerned, comma, they have now, comma, whether it is by accident or design, comma, a favorable balance, and they have contribute about Rs 63 crores to the dollar poll during the past 6 months, full stop. But oblique the moment we indulge in deficit financing, we have to be prepared for of our balance of payments, full stop.